Hello, hello. So, let's just go over this quickly and how it works, right? We have a keyhole. A key obviously goes into a keyhole. So we've got our key with the grab interaction on it, grab interactor. We've got our keyhole with our socket interactor, our socket where the key goes, obviously. I'll tell you about this later. We have our door, right? Our door, it's got to open and close, and so therefore it's got an open animation, it's got a close animation. Within your animator, you set that up accordingly. I didn't want to go with this closed door because it just snapped right closed, so I said, nope, I'm just going to make a closed door animation that is just literally the opposite of the open one, and so that's just all I did. I copied that up there. I went over here. I said create new clip. I named it closed door, and I got to work, and I just made it the opposite of the open door, clearly. And so your transition from just this current static state, which maybe we don't need anymore, but we're just going to leave it anyway. We have a transition, obviously, no exit time required, open door. From open door, we have a transition to closed door, no exit time, condition, closed door. From closed door back up to open door, we have a condition, door open, and there is no exit time. At the end of the day, that's how it's working. So we've got our key with grab interactor. We've got our keyhole, which is the socket for the key, the socket interactor. And now we have to set our object that has the event being the animations, door open, door close. We go select. Select means now the key is inside. The key is inside the socket, the door opens. You select the function of animator, set trigger string, and you name that animation of what it is. You type it in there. Vice versa. You come over here, you get that door. The animation belongs to this door, correct? Yes. You go into the function. You go into animator, set trigger string. You name it. And from there, no code required whatsoever. You go on ahead and watch it work like a charm. I'm going to go on ahead and turn off this microphone and just let it ride. See y'all later. Something very important that I almost missed is interaction layer mask. We created a new layer, we called it key. Here's why. Because you can create a socket, right? Put a socket interactor. Well, anything with a grab interactor will go into that socket if it's just if it's everything, right? Well, everything could go into that socket. You don't want that to happen. For it to work accordingly with only a key that is supposed to go in there, you name the socket interactor layer, interaction layer mask to key or to whatever you need it to be named, and you come on over to the key grab interactor and you do the exact same thing. Layer mask it. Layer mask what you need on these sockets. That way, you know, a beer mug filled with beer doesn't unlock the door, kind of thing. All right, have a good one.